Greetings, folks, coming to you today from the Coastal Prairie Trail in Sonoma County at Bodega Bay. We are near Bodega Dunes State Park, and Lee and I are going to take a bike ride to Salmon Creek. Come along with us. Okay, we're going to cross a little bridge here and get into the wide open part of the trail. And this is what it looks like when it opens up. And here's where we enter the little community of Salmon Creek. I'll pan around a little. Lee is up ahead on the bike, and look at the beautiful hills over here. What a fun ride. Okay, getting through the little community here of Salmon Creek, and there's the view. We'll head down there. Here we are at Salmon Creek. That's what it looks like over there. What a nice little community. Let's head down to those dunes. South Salmon Creek Beach, Sonoma Coast State Park. Okay, I'm going to leave the bike there for a moment. Climb up this little dune. And give you the view. Ooh, neat. Okay, if you can kind of strain your eyes. Way over yonder, that's the ocean. There's a pullout up there off of Highway 1. And here's a look back at the little community of Salmon Creek. It's a beautiful day. Sun is out. It's rather warm. And it's not windy. I think I'm going to wrap this short video up right here so that I can get back on the bike and we can just ride without having to worry about me doing a video. Thanks for coming along with me, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.